In the next few lectures, we are going to learn more about filtering, sorting, and pagination in our ASP.NET Web API. And for that, we need some data in our database so that we can play around with that data. For that, let's come back to SQL Server Management Studio. And I have created this script where we can seed some data directly into the SQL Server database. So I have written a few delete statements, insert statements for each and every folder so that you can run this script in your database and the data will look exactly the same as I have in the lecture over here. So no matter how many rows you have at this moment of time, this will clean your tables in the database and will make it look like what I have at this moment. For that, we need to make sure that the tables and the database that you have created exactly matches with what I have in the script. For example, I have the database name as nzwalksdb and the tables as regions, difficulties, and walks. And also I have a few columns in each table. Now, if you have followed this lecture very closely and in the same way that I have taught, we should have the exact same column names, tables, and also the database name. But if you have a different name of a column or anything else, you can alter the script according to your needs. And finally, when you have done that, you can run the script. So I'm connected to the nzwalksdb, which I have. So I will basically execute this query. And it will first delete all the rows from the tables so that we have a clean table or all clean tables in the database. And then it will insert the difficulties, regions, and finally the walks inside the tables. Once you have done executing the script, your tables should have, the walks table should have 15 results. The regions table should have 6 results and the difficulties table will have 3 results like this. So once you have the exact same results in the tables, you can now carry on with the next lectures. I will also have the script available in the notes attached to this lecture, so you can download the script and run it on your system so that you and I have the same data and we follow the lectures in a similar way.